In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make photorealistic images in Midjourney. We'll start by crafting a strong prompt because great photorealism begins with clear direction. Head to chatgpt.com and describe the image you want as if you're briefing a photographer. Ask for a prompt tailored for Midjourney that emphasizes realism. Include the subject, the setting, the time of day, the lighting, the camera perspective, and any lens or photographic details that matter. For example, mention natural window light or golden hour, a 50mm or 85mm lens, shallow depth of field, and terms like realistic skin texture, accurate color, and subtle film grain. If you're depicting objects or interiors, specify materials like brushed metal, weathered wood, or soft cotton, and note how light interacts with them, soft shadows, specular highlights, or diffused reflections. Keep your adjectives consistent. Conflicting cues like harsh sunlight and soft studio light in the same prompt can look unnatural. Once you're happy with the wording, copy the prompt. Now, head over to midjourney.com and go to the Create area. This is where you'll turn that detailed prompt into an image. You'll see a text field at the top of the page where you can enter your instructions. Paste your prompt into the box. If you want a photography-friendly composition, consider adding an aspect ratio that suits real camera frames, such as AR:3:2 for a landscape orientation or R:4:5 for portraits. You can also indicate focal length, like 85mm for tight portraits or 24mm for wider scenes, and add lighting cues such as softbox lighting, overcast daylight, or practical lamp glow. Keep the language concise and focused on real-world cues, materials, light behavior, camera settings, depth of field, and mood. Avoid overly stylized keywords that push the image toward illustration when your goal is realism. Click Submit and let Midjourney do the heavy lifting. You'll see previews appear as it renders. Look closely at the results for telltale signs of realism: believable skin tones, natural shadows, consistent reflections, and accurate perspective. If the image feels artificial, think about what detail is missing or conflicting. Maybe the lighting is too even, the textures are too perfect, or the depth of field is inconsistent. Small prompt adjustments like specifying soft directional light, adding a realistic environment reference, or simplifying the description often make a big difference. That's it. By drafting a precise photography-focused prompt with ChatGPT, pasting it into Midjourney's Create page, and submitting, you'll be well on your way to producing convincing photorealistic images. Keep refining your wording and your results will get better with every run.